Coding style in C# is guided by a set of best practices designed to improve code readability, maintainability, and consistency across projects. These recommendations help developers write clean, structured, and efficient code that is easy to understand and collaborate on. Follow standard naming conventions, such as Pascal case for class and method names and camel case for local variables and parameters. Use proper indentation, spacing, and line breaks to enhance readability. Braces should be placed on new lines for methods, classes, and control structures. Write clear and concise comments to explain complex logic or important decisions in the code, but avoid excessive or redundant commenting. Keep code well structured by logically grouping related methods, classes, and namespaces. Follow the Single Responsibility Principle (SRP) to ensure modular design. Explicitly define access modifiers, public, private, protected, etc., to control access to members and improve encapsulation. Remove unused variables, redundant statements, and commented out code to maintain a clean codebase. Use try-catch blocks appropriately to handle errors gracefully without exposing unnecessary details. Encapsulate fields with properties to maintain control over how data is accessed and modified. Adhere to Microsoft's official C# coding conventions and best practices to ensure compatibility and maintainability in larger projects. By following these recommendations, developers can write high-quality C# code that is easier to read, debug, and maintain over time.